riding this beautiful road on my own, very new motorcycle. Well, technically it's not very new, it's a second-hand one, but I just bought it. Woo! Finally I've got my own wheels, yay! And I can enjoy all these roads, all this beauty, without any limits, anytime, any day. Amazing. I'm so happy to be back on the road. Well, technically I'm not back on the road yet. Well, technically I am. Anyway, so so the motorcycle I bought it in Cali, and yesterday I went to Cali by bus. It's like 7-8 hours from Medellin. I think it's about 400 kilometers, maybe a little bit more. And now I'm taking the baby back to Medellin, and we're gonna stay there for some time still. We're gonna prepare for the road. We're gonna do some local explorations, and yeah, and then we're gonna start the whole trip down south. And today I'm just was super happy to be riding again. This is an incredible feeling that I've almost forgotten after 1 month without a motorcycle. I mean, I didn't forget it, of course, but I was missing it a lot. Being able to just go, just enjoy every curve, all this beautiful beauty. Just look at this. Isn't this amazing? Curve after curve, the trees, the sunshine. The weather is just perfect. It's not cold, it's not hot. Amazing conditions. Woo! My very first ride on my own motorcycle. This is amazing.